there! If you're new here, my name is Julia and I live in Los Angeles, California. I'm just a girl currently navigating my 20s, and on today's episode of my life, we're continuing our adventures in Shanghai, China, but today we're adding a couple of friends to the fun. Come with us as we eat all day, check out all the local stores, and enjoy the vibes and views in the wonderful city of Shanghai. So sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy the video. Hi buddy!
I can live every day like this.
The girlies are in China! Wow. It's gonna be our third boba of the day. Good morning, guys. It is the morning time. I feel so crusty. It's currently 8 a.m. and I just woke up, as you can tell. I'm trying to figure out what we're ordering for breakfast. Guys, we have a serious problem. I feel like last time we were in China, we were ordering so much, and like low-key, like it's still the vibe, but it's just so convenient. The fact that like I can just order my food from my phone and they're on these freaking motorbikes and they're zooming around the city picking up our order. It comes so fast because like in the US, if I needed to order DoorDash or like Uber Eats or something like that, it would take much longer than Meituan. Like it would take maybe an hour or more, and then on top of that, the delivery is like basically the same price as the product that I'm ordering. And then it's always confusing, like they never know where to bring my order and stuff. But here, I feel like it's so common. The delivery girlies are just on it. And then it also put it in the robot and then it'll come back to the hotel. Like it's crazy. It's just so cool. But anyway, I need to stop yapping because I need to figure out what I want to eat. This is what the app looks like, by the way. John just texted me. Food? He went downstairs, so I am tasked with the mission of trying to figure out what we're gonna eat for breakfast. Like, it's all in Chinese. Unfortunately, I don't really know how to speak or read Chinese. I'm at a very like elementary level, if anything, not even elementary. Like I think it's just like 我不知道, you know. But anyway, I just like look at the pictures and keywords, and there's like so many things that we can order. Usually we just get like the Asian breakfast, like shenjianbao, and then like youtiao, and then the little porridge thingy. I don't know what the porridge is called, but it's like 1,000 duck egg porridge. You just go to each store and then you look through here. Hello. You just look through here, then you order it, and then it'll come in like 5 seconds.
What's up? Good morning. I'm hungry.
What's new?
Fortunately, we can just have food delivered.
Yes, that's what I was telling them.
Oh my god, look at
Look at
that
this,
meal.
the set. Wow.
Oh, that's good. Let's just
Okay,
do that.
so you can get this whole thing for 25 yuan. Like porridge
wonton soup, noodles, youtiao, sausage, meatballs, soy milk.
for less than $5.
Less than $4 actually.
Oh. Someone said 好吃,很好吃. Okay, that means it's good. Guys, the robot, I think he's here. Oh my god, he is, look. Can you see? He's right there. Hey, buddy. Let me in, please. It never gets old. Bye-bye. Okay, breakfast is here.
Let you go, baby. I just wanna tell you that. No.
Oh my god. There's so many things.
All of my friends say, girl, you better take care. 'Cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though Though deep down I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no. 'Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I won't. I've been looking for love so true. When I was down and out, along came you. Though you might be a liar and a cheat too, I just can't quit you now 'cause I love you. Yes, I do. I can't let you go, baby. I can't let you go, baby. 'Cause I love you, I love you, I love you. No, 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 no.
Guys, our breakfast is here. Oh my god. We got so much. What is this? Mmm.
Spicy fermented vegetables. Holy moly, holy moly.
Holy moly.
Straight up.
Let's eat. Oh, this porridge looks amazing. Mmm. We put this, it's like fermented vegetables. Put it inside here. Mmm. Mmm.
I'm gonna try the chongfun. Shrimp and egg chongfun. Good.
Good? Just okay.
Just okay. Just okay.
It's not bad.
Not bad.
The rice is a little weird. Oh my god, why is it so overexposed?
Try the sausage.
Oh my god, it's huge. Some youtiao.
Whoa.
It's good? The star of the show. We love her. Mmm. 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 Oh my god! This is amazing. I could live every day like this. Wow. And I also ordered like hair clips and a hair straightener. And it should be coming soon actually. And actually it's right, it's here.
Is there?
This is amazing. Okay, we're gonna finish our meal, get ready, and then it's time to go.
Get some coffee.
And
See
then
you at the cafe.
see you at the cafe.
好的，这上呢摆个鞋垫，垫个垫子，这个垫子垫上去，这个炉纹就没有了。这个垫子不坏，配印不是垫子，是这个印。都贴好的，啊。
Oh, this one's good. So this will go on the bottom of the shoe. Okay, we just dropped our shoes off at the cobbler. So I'm adding a sole to my loafers and my Mary Jane's because I told her that I was like, oh, it's like uncomfortable, and she was like, oh, you need to like change the sole. And then John, what'd you do?
Just added some inserts because both of them were too loose, and even then the left one was looser than the right.
Yeah.
So we added like an extra piece.
The next plan is
We are going to Cafe de Vulcan. Del Vulcan.
yeah, it's time for some coffee. I need my coffee. We're on the way to the maglev station to pick up Isaac and Aaron. They just landed from Korea. They're here in China for the first time ever. I think we're actually here. Is that the station?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. The girlies are in China! Yay! Ready for Shanghai? Yeah!
The soup's so good. So good. The crab shawarma. Oh wait, it's so rich.
Why is everyone buying M&M's?
Look at this fry. That's crazy. Wait, corn talk? What is that?
Using translate to ask if they got any nuts in them.
Okay, okay.
Oh, I can poke a hole
Yep,
in it?
yep.
Yay!
And you can even
Cheers!
Cheers. Hey, cheers. What did you get? Well, what is this reaction though?
It's good, but like,
What's in there?
it's not phenomenal.
Not phenomenal. Not phenomenal.
This is also good, but not phenomenal.
Really?
It's very milky.
That's not good.
Yeah. Oh, and I think this is better than that one. For sure. For sure, yeah.
It's a young.
We got middle grade matcha and then hell grade matcha.
Yeah. Let's try it together.
Okay, yes.
Which one first?
Hell? Or no.
Middle grade.
Okay, wait, the texture's nice.
Wait, that's really good.
The bitter one's gonna be crazy bitter. Wait, that's so good.
Wait, very good flavor.
Okay, this is hell grade. I'm scared.
We gotta go for it.
Let's try it. Cheers.
Oh, cheers.
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 Whoa, that is bitter. I like it though. It's a little bit umami fishy.
I don't know about that one.
This one is really good. This one's really strong.
You might not think it's
Is this
fine.
mine?
You can use it, yes.
It's delicious.
Let's get some normal grade.
Oh, that's a little too much.
That's what I'm saying. I think you would have liked this.
We need more sugar.
Hell grade.
Oh, I
Brother,
think so.
what's that?
Oh, that's too much. That don't even taste like matcha anymore. 我们怎么喝呢？
都可以，就是可以喝2口，把雪糕加进去，也可以单独吃雪糕跟单独。
either way.
哦，好。
Separate. Let's get it.
It's so pretty at nighttime.
Let's go to Central Square.
Okay, I'm down.
Right.
Oh,
That
yes.
sounds good. That sounds good.
Like, wow, it's so pretty here.
Beautiful backdrop, huh? Jess, you want a solo? Huh? John? Jiggly?
Huh?
Look at the efficiency.
Getting-
So fast.
This is gonna be our third boba of the day. Yay! Oh wait, I didn't get my straw.
Mango boom.
Yes. Oh, this is good. It's good?
There's no boba.
What?
It's very
I
good.
found the boba. Wait, this is huge. Oh, yours is good. Try.
Huh?
Oh, the jelly's good. This one's really good. Mango boom.
Ah.
Wait, I like this. So good. This one's so good. Hold on. Yes. Don't even know what it is. Wow. Perfect hand model. I'm gonna try the egg tart first. Ooh, the crispy. I feel like it's gonna be good. Cheers. Ooh. Okay.
Oh, the crunch.
Oh yeah.
That sounded exciting.
That's
That
Oh,
sounded
it's good.
exciting.
Wait, she looks gorgeous. Wait, should we just bite like into it? Just okay. All right, cheers.
Oh! What? The demons! The demon hunters!
Delight show. The inside is really good. Wow. Bro, this is crazy. There's like a workspace here and then ice cream. Wow.
What's over there?
Do you like it so far?
Yes. There's still so much we haven't explored.